Hello, I'm Dr. Anika Singhal. I'm 53 years old and I've done my BBS from SCB Medical College, Cuttack. Then I did my DNB in my family medicine from Delhi. At present, I am working as a general practitioner in Mahipalpur, that is a suburb of Delhi. And also, I am doing freelancing teaching to the PG aspirants and MCI FMG, the foreign medical graduates, they have to clear the MC exam. So for them, I'm teaching the anatomy subject. So looking after my parents as a caregiver gave advantage to me in a sense that I was more empathetic and could understand the pain and difficulties my patients and the caregiver of my patients were going through. So I would always give them more time to listen to their problems, even the caregiver's problem. They used to come and tell me what they were going through. I could give them advice. As a doctor, I would say I had a lot of advantages in looking after my parents because I could give the basic medicines and put stitches. I even put stitches so many times because they used to have frequent falls. I could give drips at home, injections at home, so I didn't have to rush all the time, to the hospital to take them. In the hospital, I knew a lot of health workers and doctors, including nurses. So whenever, which was very rare, when I had to take my parents to the hospital, so I used to get some special attention from my known doctors and nurses. And also I could take them to the best doctors because I knew where to take them. I think this is a very good question that what we can do as a nation or a system. But the first thing I think officially some extra leaves should be allotted to the caregivers. Okay, like we get leaves for pregnancy and other things. So some leaves extra should be provided to the caregivers from the government side. Second, government and private hospitals can set up healthcare daycare centers. So when these healthcare workers who are also the caregivers to their parents or any loved ones, so they can take their parents or the loved one to the hospitals in the daycare center and do their work, without any tension. So, and these healthcare daycare centers should be either free or have a nominal cost. Could not go for holidays because if I went, my husband had to stay back or my children had to stay back. If my children or husband went, then I had to stay back because somebody had to look after the parents. So such another care centers should be there where we can keep these our parents or our loved ones for 1 week or 2 weeks so that we can go for the caregivers can go for the holidays. I am staying in Delhi, so I did come across such center. It was a private center, and but it had a pathetic services and exorbitant rates. So, like even I could, as a doctor, also I could not afford that, and also plus they were insisting that that the patient has to be kept minimal for 1 month there. So I believe such more centers with realistic rates and realistic services should be set up. Ambulance and emergency services should be provided on priority basis to such healthcare caregivers, irrespective whether they are at work or at home, so that if when they're at work or at home, if the loved one is having some problems, so on just a phone call, the ambulance should be readily available. Also, some basic financial discounts in the hospital can be provided for their loved ones. So that was also not available all the time. Some hospitals, of course, did give 5%, 10% discount, but very few. So I think basic 20% can be done for the healthcare workers whose parents or loved ones are ill. Very practical advice: keep some emergency numbers pasted on a place where not only you, your servants and your other family members can reach out, like emergency numbers of ambulance, hospitals, doctor, chemists, friends, relatives, and police. Always keep 15 days of surplus medical stock, whether medicines or diapers or drips or whatever. Very important advice is that please take out some time for yourself on daily basis, morning or evening, whichever possible, half an hour. That's not, I know it's difficult in such circumstances that you have to go for work, you have to take care of your parents, but half an hour is not much. You should try where you do your breathing exercises or pranayam or aerobics or listen to music or read or gardening. So that makes a lot of difference, because the mental health of the caregiver is equally important as the mental health of the patients which you are taking care.